Number 2 is just like number 1, except I made you go through and do the Lewis dot structures for everything. So what do we have here? We have an oxygen O2. So when you go to do the Lewis dot structure for this, you end up with a double bond with 2 lone pairs. And then we have a hydrogen, which is about the simplest bond that you can get, but don't forget that there's 2 of them, so it's that. And now we're going to go over here and we're going to make water, which again we know is HOH, except remember that there are 2 of them, so it's HOH twice. And so now if we want to figure out what the delta H is, the delta H of our reaction is going to be the sum of the bonds of the reactants minus the sum of the bonds of the products, again, or add them all up and make sure that the products are negative. It amounts to the same thing that is there. So as far as bonds are concerned, this is 498, this is 436 twice, this is 464 and 464 and 464 and 464 for all of those guys. So when you add all of this stuff up, you end up with 498 plus 2 times the 436. That's your reactants. And then you're going to subtract from that the 4 times the 464, which are the products. And again, assuming I've done my math right on this, I got a 486 negative kilojoules for my final answer here.